Hey, yo, the Too Sweet Kliq out here. Rad Coffee in Long Beach. About to get real radical. And you know what it is. It's just too sweet. I don't know what this dude's name is, but we can call him Rad Lad. Out here, Rad Coffee. About to make a real swift appearance. Pretty rad if you ask me, player. Dope spot in here. Pinball machines, posters, flyers, punk posters. Here's the pickup window. And here's the menu, player. We got some interesting looking stuff here. Got the Frankenstein, the Bride, the Dracula. Cereal chillers for my babe. Pretty steep menu here, bro. I'm with it. They got a merch corner. Bro, this place is rad.
Oh yeah, if you're ready, go ahead. I'm still looking.
I like this shirt right here. Hella rad. They got the Phantom of the Opera pinball. How cool is this? Bro. Frankenstein. Tales from the Crypt. How cool.
Look at the
Looks so rad.
angle of it.
That's so cool. It's posters. Whoa. This is cool in here. It's like an indoor-outdoor patio. They got some cool furniture in here. That's a dope wall. Too bad it's all covered up back there. Yeah, bro, this place is pretty sick. What you think?
I like it. I like it. And they have so many different mixtures
Yeah.
to choose from. It's gonna be hard to choose what I want.
I didn't
want,
even
4 different things.
I didn't even really look at the menu. I gotta look at it. It was so deep and everything looked good. Like I said, it smells great in here. We're gonna go try some of it.
The skulls. Those are so cool.
Yeah. I love that it's like horror themed, but like still very donut coffee shop ish. And all the punk music. It's cool. I can hang out here. I think I will. Yeah. Out here in beautiful Long Beach. Rad Coffee. It is just too sweet. Is your drink ready, girl? Is that purple whipped cream?
That's right.
Wow. Oh, I didn't see these over here. This is rad. This is the jam, bro.
Okay, so what I got here is the Bride. It's white chocolate blended with mint, chocolate chips, and topped with Oreos. But I added purple whipped cream, which they have purple whipped cream, they have blue whipped cream, they have black whipped cream.
Wow.
So, alrighty, here we go.
The Bride for the bride.
Thank you.
Oh, she's drinking that like it got liquor in it.
Oh my god, it's so delicious. I love it. Oh my god. I don't even know how
What
to
do you taste the
describe
most?
it. You can taste everything. The white chocolate is so good, and then you get, it's not like overpowered by the mint, which is good because I love mint, so I don't mind if it's overpowered, but you can just get hints of mint in there.
And it's just topped with Oreo, right? There's not Oreo in it, so you can't really taste the Oreo until you get to the top.
Yeah, it's just topped with Oreo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
It looks rad. So we got the Too Sweet approval, the Bride.
There were a million choices to choose from.
A million?
It seemed like a million. So I'm ready to come back and try again. A different flavor. But this is good. I want to try yours now.
That's what all the girls say. Hey yo, bro. I got from Rad Coffee the Wolf. It's got 4 shots of espresso. It's got some hazelnut. It's got some cinnamon. And I think it's got a little bit of mocha. Let's see. 4 shots of espresso, player. I need it. So, right as I went to taste it, it tasted like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, like that kind of cinnamony, sweet, malty kind of flavor. But then once you hit the actual coffee, it tastes like really good espresso flavor, and the hazelnut come through. So it's a nice mix. I don't taste much mocha. It's a little bit of mocha in there. It's a little like that bitter mocha, not a sweet mocha. So it's good. It kind of lubricates the espresso. That cinnamon just adds a little over the top. Rad Coffee too. Wait. The Tales from the Crypter. That's what they called her in high school. Tales from the Crypt.
Here we go.
Already, babe?
It's not still recording. Hold on. It's haunted. No! I think that's it. That's all she wrote.
Hey yo, thanks for joining the Too Sweet Kliq out here at Rad Coffee. And you know what it is, it's just too sweet.